Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add tags to product pages on Shopify. For example, you can see I'm on my Shopify store and you can see this is a product page and at the moment it does not display the tags. If you would like to display the tags so that when someone goes onto your product page and clicks on a tag, they'll automatically be redirected to a collection page, I'll be showing you how to quickly do that even as a complete beginner. The first thing you will need to do is go into your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you will automatically be redirected to the Themes page. Once on the Themes page, you are going to tap on the three dots right beside Customize. Then you are going to select Edit Code. After you have tapped on Edit Code, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, I want you to scroll down and you're going to select Sections. So we're going to tap on Sections. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down until you see Main Product Liquid. So let's find Main Product Liquid real quick. Once you have tapped on Main Product Liquid, what I want you to do next on Main Product Liquid, what I want you to do is simply tap on anywhere on the screen. And then from there, we are going to search for Product Info. So what I would recommend you do depending on the device that you are using. For example, if you are using a Windows device, all you'll need to do is simply press down on Alt F. If you are using, for example, an Apple device, you are going to press down on Command F. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you are going to simply put in /product, then you are going to tap on Enter. After you have done that, you are going to see right there, you can see product recommendations. I want you to scroll down and we're going to select the second option, which is Product Info. Once you have found Product Info, you are going to simply tap right in front of Info. Then you are going to press down on Enter. And then I want you to paste in the code that I will be leaving in the description. So we are going to simply copy and paste in this code right here. So let me do that real quick. You're going to paste the code right here. Once you have pasted the code, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on Save. Once it has been saved, I'm going to go back onto the preview page, which is this page right here, the product page. Again, you can see that it isn't displaying any tags, but if I should refresh the page, let me refresh it real quick. You can see that at the moment it is now displaying tags. As you can see, t-shirts right there. And if I should go back, so let me tap on my store and go to a different page. So let's say, for example, I were to go to this page right here. You will also see that it is displaying tags, as you can see right there. And if I were to click on any one of the tags, it will automatically carry me to the collection page, as you can see right there, for that particular tag. So if I were to tap on t-shirt, you can see right there, it carries me to this collection page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.